In this series, I'll teach you how to shoot and edit videos step by step using just your phone and CapCut. Whether you're creating content for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Today we are going to focus creating short engaging video. What you need is only your phone. In this video, we will create a video shot in motion. It is important to try to shoot carefully and make sure that the camera does not shake. The topic of this video is a video for every day, that you can shoot a similar video anywhere. We use a mask and transition, and also figure out how to work with sound. So let's start. I go into the metro, a wide lens. The train arrives. I'm on a train. I shoot several options. Here are some of them, all shot with second zoom level. Here I caught the movement of lights in a carriage. The Sydney metro without a driver. I went to the first carriage and shoot a time lapse of the train entering the tunnel, as well as in a tunnel. To shoot such a video, you need to press the phone to the glass and block as much as possible the incoming lights between the window and the camera. All video wide lens. Here I arrived at the station. And I filmed the following video at another beautiful metro station. I will show you how to put this video together during the editing process. Now, let's talk about common mistakes. Not interesting video on the floor. Too much stuff, dirty frame. Too much empty space. Long panorama, long video. Open CapCut. Create a project. Upload a video. I have selected the video in advance. I add it to the timeline. In this tutorial, we will use a keyboard. I select the video and press Ctrl B and delete. I trim the entire video, leaving only the most interesting moments. I trim the frame until the man is visible. Scroll and cut. Delete the necessary moment. The next step is to speed up each video. I go to speed and change the number. I do this with the entire video. In some moment I add different speeds. I cut this video into three parts: the beginning of the movement, active movement, and the end of the movement. I split the middle. I'm speeding up the second part 5 times, the first 1.7 times. I'm also split this fragment into three parts. The first is active movement. I'm speeding up 5 times. The second part, I'm speeding up 3 times. And I'm leaving the third in the original. I split it into three parts. I'm speeding up the first part 3 times, the second 4 times, and the third a little. Now I'm overlaying, split the video and placing the first part above the previous video so that the video is from the moment the door opened. I'm speeding up the second part. At this point, let's look at how you can lower the sound level, and I can also increase the size of the waveform. I return to the video overlay and add a mask. I will create an effect when the door opens. We immediately get to the video with the escalator. Add mask, film strip. I rotate it 90 degrees so that the lines are vertical. Narrow it to cover the video of the platform. I add a keyframe. I have a point at the beginning of the video. I move it one frame and adjust the mask so that the platform with video 1 is not visible, and so on until the end. Adding music. Now I add a fade at the end. I add transition in place where there is an accent in the music. And also align the entire video to the rhythm of the music. Today I use two types of transition. I want to remind you that it is not recommended to use many types of transition in one video. I add text. Go to the text template. Now we adjust the color. At the moment of the tunnel, the settings looks bad, so I cut and change the color value at this interval of the video. Also, at the end, I decide to add text. You can add text where you want, change the templates, or write the text manually and adjust it yourself. Render the video. Your video is ready. Now you can share it with your family and friends.